How to check flight number on Expedia. Expedia is an online travel agency that allows travelers to book flights, hotels, rental cars, cruises, and vacation packages. To check your flight number on Expedia, here's what you need to do. Visit Expedia.com or open the Expedia app. Sign in with the email and password you used to book the flight. In the home page, you can see options like Account, Trips, Home, Search, Inbox. From there, click the Trips button. Then choose Find Your Booking section. The flight number will be displayed with the airline name, departure, and arrival details. If you can't find the flight number, reach out to Expedia customer service via their help center or chat support. They can assist in retrieving your booking details. Expedia is part of Expedia Group, an American travel technology company that also owns and operates other travel brands. Thanks for watching.